Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung's advanced routine lets you create a custom power saving profile so you can disable background apps, reduce brightness, and even switch off unnecessary features all in one tab. However, just think about it, power saving mode should only be turned on in the night. And sometimes when you go to sleep just before bed, you forget to put it in power saving mode. So if you forget to put it in power saving mode, you have background apps, you have brightness, and even unnecessary features are turned on. So let me show you how you can set a routine where when you go to bed at a certain time, it'll basically turn on power saving mode. And just before you get up or the exact time you get up, power saving mode will be switched off. So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the Modes and Routine app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Routines and then tap on the plus sign. Here you want to go ahead and set the if and then statement. So if, we'll go ahead and search for a time. So if time period. So here we can go ahead and set a time from a certain time, or you can go ahead and set sunrise to sunset or sunset until next day sunrise. I'll go ahead and set the time. We'll go ahead and set a particular time. So let's say you go to sleep at 11 o'clock p.m. We'll leave 30 minutes just in case you go over that time. So we'll set the time to turn on power saving mode at 11:30. And here we want to go ahead and end it. So we'll go ahead and end it at 7 o'clock in the morning. And now you can go ahead and scroll down and find repeat. So I want to repeat that every day. Now I can go and press done. And then I want to go ahead and set the then statement. So then I'll go ahead and find power saving mode, battery. Turn it on, yes. And then I'll go ahead and tap on save, give it a name, and then press done again. So now this routine has been set. So at 11:30 p.m., power saving mode will turn on. So this basically will turn off any background activities, will reduce the brightness, and will turn off any unnecessary features while you sleep. So this way you get longer battery life exactly when you need it without losing control over which feature stays active. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.